Hey, let me show you unboxing and overview of the all features that you can find on OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. So on the box we can find information about the high-res audio wireless. This is the LHDC codec, and inside the box there is no charger, and here we can find information about the recommended charger watt. Now let's go inside. Okay, so as you can see, they comes with this foil. Small and large ear tips are in the box. Okay, so we get information that we have two additional tip sizes. This is the plastic that's made out of plastic, but it's not like glossy plastic, so that's good because it's not gonna scratch like the glossy plastic. Small indicator on the front, OPPO logo, USB-C port, pairing button, and that's all. Now let's open the case. Some marking inside, the left ear marking, the right ear marking, charging ports, ear tips, and the sensor. Inside, that's how it looks. What you can find also in the box, let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got the small cable USB-A into the USB-C, two additional ear tip sizes. There is the user guide and safety and warranty. Okay, and as you can see, we are right now in the application, and what you can find, there's the noise cancellation right here, the transparency mode, and we can get the personalized noise cancellation. We have to place both earbuds inside the ear, so let's find out what it actually does. Okay, we can perform an ear canal test, and after this we'll be able to actually change this noise control mode between high, moderate, low, and smart. Okay, now we can find the Enco Master equalizer, so we can boost bass, get the clear vocals or get the original sound. Right here we can find the game mode, the dual connection, so we can connect these earbuds with the two devices at the same time. We can perform the earbud fit test, and we can find earbuds with sound signaling probably, yeah. We can also check for the firmware update. We can find some controls for the left and the right earbud. Single tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and a hold, and the lock, touch and a hold. And let's see what we can set here. Play and a pause. Turn previous song, turn next song, voice assistant, game mode. This is the same. For the touch and the hold, we can change this noise cancellation. And here we can volume up and volume down, and it works the same for the right one for sure. And in the about, we can find some base version information about the application. So yeah, that will be all the quick information about the OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro and quick unboxing and overview of the functions. So thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.